Hi guys, I'm Riccardo Rubino and I'm a teacher at Istituto Marangoni since long time. I'm teaching in the Department of Fashion Styling, Fashion Design, and I'm mostly in charge of trend forecasting subjects and visual research method. So why I'm here with you today, guys? I'm here to explain and develop the realization of mood boards. You all know what this word stands for, but are we all sure that we know the process to get to the mood board outcome? So first of all, let me start our presentation today explaining why mood boards are so important in the visual field. First of all, mood boards are able to visually develop ideas from a wide range of inspirations. Today, people working in the visual fields like design, styling, visual concept, art direction, creative direction, whatsoever, they need to use this tool as an important way to convey ideas. So why mood boards are so relevant for creative people in the visual field? First of all, mood board express a vision. So we all are aware on the fact that the images have a strong power. An image itself, a single image itself, has the power to convey a narration, has the power to narrate or convey a memory, for example. But what if we put together a vast range of images that are able to conversate and communicate among each other? Mood board define an idea through a long, interesting, creative process that we are going to discover together today. Mood board are, in fact, the resume of a process that we will call the creative process. Now, let's start with a simple but very relevant information. A mood board is an immediate storytelling tool. So from an outcome such as the one you are seeing, guys, you can understand the idea, for example, you want to transfer to a client, or it's easily translating an atmosphere, it's easily translating a color palette. Now, this is the outcome, this is the final outcome, this is actually what we call mood board. Let me add one thing. Mood board is very easy keyword to translate. It's simply a board containing a mood. So in one unique board, in one unique page, we must be able to translate and make the other feel our ideas through an atmosphere. A mood board connects with a brief or a theme, including the narration of an idea. So sometimes we get some vague ideas or some broad ideas. Sometimes we get from clients a brief. How can we translate in one unique piece of work our ideas? Just putting together images that come from a wide process that we will call the creative visual process. Now, a mood board is not only a way to communicate an idea, but a mood board is also an important tool to translate an aesthetic, to transfer an atmosphere through colors, textures, and materials. Now, the strength of a mood board, when it's well done, comes from your creativity, comes from your ability to look and dig into different sources. Also, the ability to never stop your research and the ability to put together images in one unique language. Now, also, when we talk about mood boards, it's a mixture between creativity, research, somehow also technique, because when we present a mood board, such the one you are looking at now, you need to put together images through graphic techniques, through defined cutout images, in order to, in a way, to impress your client, or even better, to impress yourself, to translate an idea. You can see here how much a mood board is a professional tool, because not only we provide a board full of visual sensations, but we also describe what we are seeing with technical and aesthetical keywords. Now, also, we should never forget that mood boards are a strong and effective tool for visual communication. Sometimes we start from an inspiration, such as this beautiful alpine landscape. But what is our objective as creative person? We should move far from this beautiful glacier, this beautiful alpine landscape, to give what this inspiration can be translated into a creative imagery. We start from inspirations, we start from a brief that's completely the same, but the visual research will take us to, first of all, discover some new possibilities starting from our inspiration. And obviously, that's the strength of both the mood board as a technical tool, and our creativity as a strong way to sell our ideas. In the next episode, I'm going to take you into the process, how we get to the final outcome. So I would like to underline, guys, once again, what we have seen in the first part is just the outcome. And in the next episode, we are going to see together how to get to this outcome.